Hello! It's great to see you again on the Wonder Garden channel. If you love the vibrant beauty of orchids but are struggling because your plants refuse to bloom, don't give up just yet. In today's video, I'll share a super simple but incredibly effective tip using banana peels, a common household item. You can stimulate your orchids to bloom in just 2 weeks. Watch the entire video to learn the detailed steps and make full use of nature's nutrients to help your orchids thrive and burst into stunning blooms. Do you often eat bananas? Bananas are a familiar fruit, great for health and rich in energy, vitamins, and minerals. But it's a pity that after eating, many people throw away the peels, which are actually packed with valuable nutrients, especially potassium and phosphorus. These are two crucial components for stimulating orchids to bloom. Instead of discarding them, chop the banana peels finely like this. Not only does this help recycle organic waste, but it also creates a highly effective natural fertilizer. And who knows, in just 2 weeks, you might be surprised to see your orchids starting to sprout their first flower buds. After chopping finely, place all the banana peels into a blender. Next, add about 500 milliliters of clean water. Then blend the mixture thoroughly for a few minutes. Blending helps the nutrients in the banana peels, such as potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and a small amount of B vitamins, dissolve into the water, creating a liquid fertilizer that's very easy for the plant to absorb. After blending, I'll use a thin cloth to filter out the pulp, keeping only the liquid. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. The pulp can be used to fertilize the base of outdoor plants or added to compost. It's also very beneficial. This liquid is the concentrated nutrient solution from banana peels, fully dissolved in water, making it easy for the plant to absorb through leaves and roots. Finally, dilute this solution with 2 liters of clean water. Method 1. First, I'll use the banana peel solution to wipe the leaves of the orchids in my garden. This is a crucial but often overlooked care step. Wiping leaves not only cleans dust and removes hidden small insects, but also allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the leaf surface. I'll use a soft cotton pad or clean cloth, lightly soak it in the solution, and thoroughly wipe both the top and bottom of the leaves. When wiping, be gentle and ensure no water seeps into the leaf axils to avoid waterlogging. The banana peel solution is rich in potassium, a nutrient that keeps leaves green, sturdy, and glossy. Additionally, the B vitamins and natural minerals in banana peels enhance the plant's resilience, stimulate metabolism, and are especially beneficial for plants recently repotted or in recovery. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. This banana peel solution isn't just for orchids. It can be used to wipe leaves of all other plants in your garden. From indoor plants like money plants, snake plants, pothos, to outdoor flowering or leafy plants, all can effectively absorb nutrients through their leaves with regular wiping. Over time, leaves often accumulate dust or small insects, reducing their photosynthetic ability. Wiping leaves with this natural solution cleans the surface, provides beneficial potassium and vitamins, and helps leaves stay glossy, healthy, and more resistant to pests. Especially for plants that rarely bloom or grow slowly, regular leaf wiping will awaken them, promote quick recovery, and boost vigorous growth. All you need is a soft cotton pad, soaked in the solution, to gently wipe each leaf. A simple task with remarkably noticeable results. Method 2. Next, I'll use the banana peel solution to water the base of the plant. But before watering, I'll first water the plant with plain water. This moistens the growing medium, helping the plant absorb nutrients more easily and preventing fertilizer shock, especially important for recently repotted plants or those recovering from wilting. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After watering with plain water for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'll use the diluted banana solution to water evenly around the base of the plant. Water just enough for the nutrients to gradually seep into the roots, stimulating new root growth, repairing damaged roots, and supporting stable plant development. Potassium in the solution strengthens roots, while the vitamin B1 and antioxidants in banana peels help roots resist fungal diseases and absorb water and minerals more effectively. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. You can use this watering method for plants like orchids, anthuriums, ferns, young fruit trees, or long-lived ornamental leafy plants to keep their roots healthy and stable. Method 3. The remaining solution will be poured into a spray bottle to mist all the orchids in my garden. Misting is one of the simplest and most effective ways to deliver nutrients directly through the leaves, where the plant conducts photosynthesis and gas exchange. When misting with the banana peel solution, minerals like potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins are absorbed through the leaf epidermis, making leaves glossier, tougher, and less prone to pests. Especially for orchids preparing to bloom or recently recovered, proper misting will promote new bud and flower development, strengthening the plant from the inside out. For hanging plants or those grown semi-hydroponically, misting also helps maintain stable humidity around the foliage and stems, ideal for hot or dry climates. Mist lightly on both leaf surfaces and around aerial roots. Avoid letting water pool in leaf axils or at the base to prevent waterlogging. For orchids after misting, to ensure plant safety, I'll use a soft cloth to wipe the leaves again. This removes any remaining water droplets on the leaf surface, especially in the crevices between leaves and stems, where moisture can accumulate and lead to rot or fungal infections if left for too long. Wiping leaves after misting also helps them dry faster, reducing the risk of sap-sucking insects or diseases caused by lingering water. This small step is crucial, especially when caring for orchids in low airflow or high humidity environments, and is particularly useful for orchids with dense foliage or succulent stems like Phalaenopsis. Results. After applying this care method, my orchids have grown very healthily. Plants that hadn't bloomed for a long time, seemingly dormant, have started sprouting new flower buds. The leaves are glossy, the stems are sturdier, and the roots have grown abundantly, proof that the plant is absorbing nutrients well and recovering fully. Not only for healthy plants, this method also revives weak, neglected, or seemingly unsalvageable orchids, using simple ingredients like banana peels. Care for your orchids with patience and a little love, and they will always reward you with new shoots, healthy roots, and vibrant blooming seasons. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Wonder Garden to motivate me to share more great tips. You can also turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos on caring for orchids and other ornamental plants. If you have any questions during the process, leave a comment below, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos at Wonder Garden.